Hey there, welcome to this video. So what I'm going to be doing is an easy wash and go routine. The style I'm going to be packing it is a middle bun, and the first thing I do is to comb out the hair. It's already combed out, but depending on the style I want to pack it, I come into it. The style I'm going to be doing, as I said, is a middle bun. So I'm going to be focusing on combing the hair towards the middle. If you're going to be packing a low bun, that's the bun that's going to go down. You're going to focus on combing it that way. You're not going to waste time on products because you're running and you want to just wash your hair and look good. This is almond oil, pure almond oil, and I just rub it on surface majorly to give it a shine. That's just the reason I rub it. It's not like because I'm not working it on the roots or anything. I just rub it around to give it a shine. And then sometimes I apply my coconut oil, but I do not feel like applying that today, so I will not apply it. And the next thing I do is to brush it out. This will just help to slick out or slick in the air. After putting in the rubber band or whatever band you're making use of, then you adjust the rubber band to however you want it to be. As I said, I'm doing a middle bun, so I'm going to be adjusting it to the middle of my hair. Once I'm done, I'm still going to adjust the whole look, but fuck. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so I'm done packing it in the bun. So the next thing I do is to apply my edge controls. This is kind of confusing, but I'm not going to show you what this. Okay, now what is in this container is aloe vera and Eco Styler gel. I added it. I've not mixed it yet. That's why I can see a clear color and a blue color. But that's what I use for the edge control. And then I use this 360 style wave control pomade. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so that's what I use. It's the first thing I apply. use it for the wash and go. Oh no, that's not it. Totally forgot. So the next thing I do is to tie my scarf. I got so caught up in sand. So this, I just use this is this scarf. That's for the to get the gel and the wave control to do its work. And then I tie it. Ooh. What? Gosh, I should have taken a bigger scarf. Oh well. Okay. So I'm going to leave this for a few minutes and I'll show you how it looks when I'm done or when I remove it.
A few moments later.
Hi again. So I was not checking the time, so I don't know how long I've had the scarf on for. But I'll say roughly like 10 minutes. There isn't a fixed time that your scarf must be on for. It all depends on how powerful your gel is and how much time you have. I would advise that you put your scarf on, like you do all the bits you need to do about your hair first. So when you're applying your makeup or dressing or whatever else you're doing, your scarf is on. So yes, I'm going to be removing it now. I'll show you how it turned out.